What kind of skills and knowledge do you need if you want to serve startups as a lawyer? Okay, very important question. What kind of knowledge and skills will you need? I see time is very less. I'm not going to talk too much about this, but you should be able to draft and negotiate commercial contracts. Very, very, very important. You should be able to draft and negotiate commercial contracts. How many of you can do this? Write yes in the chat. If you're good at drafting and negotiating commercial contract, write yes in the chat. If not, write no. Ramya, no. Sajan, no. Suprabha, no. Ananya said yes. Everyone is saying no. Okay, so you guys need to learn how to draft commercial contracts. Okay, any of you students in LawSikho's any of the courses, you should learn contract drafting. We can teach you. Compliances. Do you know what is compliances? Okay, compliance is also another thing you need to learn. There are a lot of regulations. So there are sectoral regulations. There are generic regulations that apply to all companies. Labor law compliances, tax compliances, environmental compliances, and there are so many other data protection laws for technology companies. So many different regulations apply, right? So you have to learn how to do the compliances under all of those laws. And if you're good at compliances, you'll never be short of work. Okay. And the startups have a lot of compliances work. And many of them are not doing their compliances properly because they don't have lawyers helping them with it. Disputes. Even it's a startup, it can have different types of disputes. For example, it can have a co-founders dispute. It can have a dispute with customers or with a vendor or with somebody is not paying them money on time. Bills are not getting cleared. There's so many different disputes that can arise and frequently arises in startups. If you can help them to solve their disputes in a cost-effective manner, in a time-bound manner, then then they will love you for that, and they will give you a lot of work for that. They'll recommend you to others also. Regulatory interface and policy advocacy, because startups are very often working on new technology. There is a lot of regulatory gray areas, right?